Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mimi, and for those of you who are new, welcome. So today's video is sponsored by Luvme Hair Company. Thank you so much, Luvme Hair Company, for sponsoring today's video. As y'all can see, guys, I'm looking like a 10 out of 10 minus nothing. And let me tell you something that you need to know before we even start this video. This wig came like this. The lace was cut, it was styled. I did not use anything to achieve this look. I just unboxed the wig, put it on my head, and this is how the wig is looking. Okay, look at that, guys. Look at the cut. I love everything about this wig, guys. The lace was cut for me, so if you are a beginner, get yourself a Luvme hair wig and you will thank me later, period. Okay, do not waste your time with, you don't have to waste your time cutting your own lace. Luvme Hair Company, they've got you covered. Okay, they can do that for you. So guys, without any further ado, let's get straight into today's video. But before that, please do check the description box for more information and of course for direct links to purchase this gorgeous wig from Luvme Hair Company.
I could blame it on the physical, I could blame it on your lips, you touch, you kiss, you...
So guys, I quickly wanted to do an unboxing so that you know exactly what to expect when you purchase hair from Luvme Hair Company. This is their box. It is purple and silver. They were kind enough to send me this wig storage bag, 2 wig caps, an edge brush and an edge comb combo, a branded Luvme Hair silk scarf to lay your edges, and lastly they were kind enough to send me this purple bonnet. Guys, this is my favorite part of the video. I'm going to show you guys the hair. So this hair is pre everything, so everything is cut. All you need to do is just unbox the love and wear the wig. Okay, unbox the wig, unbox the love, wear it on top of your head, and you are good to go. They pre-styled it, but let me just show you. Let me show you. This is an ash blonde ombre wig. Let me show you guys. It is stunning. It is stunning. Okay, let me just unbox it. Look at the color. Oh my goodness, this is actually my husband's favorite kind of wig. Okay, this color on me, like, he's gonna go crazy. Okay, look at this. Look at this. This is an ash blonde wig. As y'all can see, it is nice and soft. I can run my fingers through it. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. And it is nicely cut. Bona, guys, straight from the box, this is how the wig it is looking. It is absolutely gorgeous. This is how it looks inside. It is a C-pod situation. As y'all can see, it is already bleached for you. This wig has 3 combs, 2 on the side and 1 here at the back. It has 2 adjustable belts to secure your wig, and it also has this band that you can actually adjust. So we're gonna do that. Luvme Hair. Oh my gosh, I look so good. I look so good. I look so good. Guys, this is pre-styled. Okay, look at that blunt cut situation. I'm so happy. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh, guys. I love nice things. You see me, I love nice things, and this wig is nice. Straight from the box. Okay, straight from the box. This is how the wig is looking. Yo guys, I'm looking beautiful. I don't want to lie. Like, I don't even want to lie. Like, I am looking gorgeous. Like, what is the Luvme Hair? What did you just do to me? Like, oh my goodness, guys, I cannot even stop looking at myself. What? Like, you'd swear I glued this wig down. No glue. Guys, this color on me. Oh my gosh. Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days.
feel like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. I guess I'm doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want.
And there you have it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Also, do follow me on Instagram at curlymemes. Please do not forget to check the description box for more information, and of course for direct links to purchase this gorgeous wig from Luvme Hair Company. If you are a beginner, get yourself this hair because there's absolutely nothing that I did to this wig. As you also, we unboxed the wig together and I put it on my head, and then that was it. Okay, so this is a wear and go type of situation wig, period. So you can actually wear this wig in your car and you'll still look this gorgeous. That's it. Okay, until next time, you guys, bye bye.